Okay, we are done with that one. Bountiful Woods Cross. No, I don't want to go there. $14.58.5 miles. Okay, La Frontera. We will take that one. Okay, our next stop. Leave order at front door. Please call me and I'll come open the door. I need a pen, no pen. Why is the road closed? Looks like nothing's going on. Okay.
You have arrived.
Okie dokie. Now we got us a pizza order. She gave me $2 extra on my tip. That was nice of her. Like an apartment. So how am I going to leave it in the lobby of your apartment? Well, we will see how that goes. Leave in lobby, and it's 2 apartments in there, so I left it in the lobby, but there was only place to leave it was the floor. No upcoming task. Gave me one that went out to Holiday, which I do not want to go out there. Hit Uber. Kick on DoorDash if I can. "12th East, 21st South, Chick-fil-A, $9 for 6.8 miles. That is a no. I do not go to that Chick-fil-A. Crown Burgers, $4, 4.9, no. They're smoking some serious crap there. Uber's looking like DoorDash today with these offers. $4.59, 5.7 miles. $9.50 for 9.2. That's taking me back to Salt Lake. I will take that. Well, I was going to try and open the door for her, but Jersey Mike's not a great thing, but 4 miles was basically from where my last delivery to here, where I was coming to anyway. So then we got an add-on order, which makes it a little better. Yes, I hear petrol place Stone Guard. Taco Bell, $7.99 for 3.1 miles, I think. Pick up. $24, 36 miles. Going to Park City. No thanks. I don't go to Park City. Pay me 50 bucks. I would go to Park City. Pay me 40 bucks. I would go to Park City. Nothing less than that though. Well, got a DoorDash, 9 something for 8 something. It's just down the road from me. But now we're going out to Mill Creek. going. That takes me back to where I want to go, so we'll take that.
Your destination is on the left.
Okay, what's the name of it? Chai Yao Tai to go. We got an add-on for Olive Garden, which is nice. I gotta get out of my car here. Drop off. That was simple and easy. Now to go drop off our Olive Garden. Well, I don't know what event the Mormons got going on down here today, but it is a clusterfuck. Okay, we got that Chick-fil-A dropped off finally. Traffic is a joke tonight. I don't know what is going on down here, but wow, I'm calling it done for today. Uber, with all the $3 trips they were sending me today, dropped my acceptance from 42% down to 34%. But I'm done. I'm gonna go put gas in my car, and then I'm going home.